There's some scary shit. There's some scary shit. There's some scary shit. YouTube, welcome to another adventure with Vazz Vlogs. On this episode, we are taking an epic adventure to the Big Cliff Canyon in Ocala, Florida. Yes, this flat state has canyons. I had to see it to believe it, and I had to document it for us, because or else would you believe me? Anyways, we'll be ziplining on 9 different ziplines, 155 feet high over the natural blue springs, through the canyons. One of these ziplines is said to be 1,100 feet long, and it goes up to 50 to 60 miles per hour. Woo! Yup, 50 to 60 miles per hour. It's said to be the longest and the fastest zip line in the world, according to the tour guides. I said enough. Let's go have some fun. But first, I need a favor. Please like this video, leave a comment, share it with your friends, and last but not least, subscribe to the channel. If you did all of this, I truly appreciate it. Now let's go see what these cannons are talking about.
Even higher and faster. This one even has a pad on the pole on the other side, so we're going that speed now. Try to also increase the volume. See if I can get you guys screaming. Just make the loudest sound you can think of. If you can't think of anything, look down. It's like 90 feet to the ground, so something should come out. Hopefully it's a scream. If you're completely silent, don't make any noise on the zip line. No brakes. So the stairs are gone.
Oh shit. Good. Thank you. Shit. That's some scary shit. This is some scary shit, boy. Can't look down. Shit, can't look over there either. Oh, that shit nice as hell. just did that. You know what the funny thing is? I was scared of heights.